Hi guys, this is Miss Weems. So this is just a video of me going over the directions for your project your assignments in case you had any confusion. So when you go into Google Classroom, there's going to be a link. There will be your link to the article and then your individual copy of this Google Doc that you can answer questions on. There's an extra copy of the article in the link, but it's the same article, so you don't have to do it twice. There are questions for each section. You can type here, click here, and just start typing and put in your individual answers, and they should be your individual answers. A lot of people got some zeros last week for copying. Let's try to be original, because I am actually reading this. Okay, and then once you've answered all your questions, you go down to the bottom and you have your second assignment, just like we've been doing for the last couple weeks. It's a BCR, just like we've been doing for the last couple weeks. So we're going to use your standard rubric. You get 2 points for an introductory sentence. You get points for actually pulling evidence from the article to back up your response. That's about 4. Okay. You get 2 points for a concluding sentence and 2 points for just trying. Okay. So adds up to 10 points. Okay. I hope you guys are doing okay and that you are staying safe and know how much I miss you. Okay, guys? Be good. Bye.